Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Blanca with Furniture with Imagination, and today I have a surprise for you. We are going to be using Amy Howard at Home's new paint line, which is the Miracle Paint Enamel. Okay, so I decided to try it on these couple of nightstands that I have, and as you can see, it's very high sheen. And in order for me to paint them, I would have to prime them with any other paint. But we're gonna try this paint. You should not need to prime or sand or anything. So we're gonna try it all together here and see what the result is, okay? So don't forget to tag 3 friends because we're giving away the Miracle Paint today, and tell me from where you're watching, okay? Ask me any questions, and I put the links of the product if you're interested in buying this paint, which I think you will. Thank you so much, and let's get going. The first step that we have to do is actually prep our piece. And I removed the hardware in order for me to fully clean the drawers. And by the way, I'm going to be covering those holes because I'm going to be putting new hardware. So I want to make sure that everything around that gets fully cleaned. And this is my favorite product to fully clean a piece because it removes everything at once. This is Clean Slate from Amy Howard at Home Products. And you just have to ensure that you go throughout the entire piece and you just apply it, and the product does its job. So this is a key step to prep your piece and have a beautiful finish. Alright, so the moment has come to paint our new piece and try this fabulous paint. And don't forget to stir it enough so all those good pigments that are set at the bottom are available for you to paint. So I'm using also my Wedge brush, and the paint is really fantastic. It has this great thick consistency. And even though my piece is very dark, the coverage is just fabulous. It feels like you're applying butter. It's absolutely incredible. And the qualities of this paint are that this is actually 1 hour cure time. And there's no stripping, no sanding, no priming, and also there's no sealing. You don't have to put any sealer on top of it because the paint hardens really well and is going to be really well protected. It's very durable. Also, there's a really good thing about this paint is water-based. This is waterborne enamel paint. And you can use it, dilute it and mix it. And in fact, on the top, as you can see, I prepped my paint and I sanded the top and I sanded the bottom legs. I'm going to be using this paint and do a wash and see how the paint reacts with a wash and how, the paint comes out with this wood. This is actually a really nice wood, and I really can't wait to see how my wash is going to come out. So other characteristics of this paint is that adheres to wood, resin, metal, formica, concrete, and almost any other surface. And I can tell you right now, being the first coat that I'm putting in this such a dark color and such high sheen, I am really surprised how well this is adhering. If I had chalk-based paint right now, literally I would have big places where the paint wouldn't stick, and this is absolutely incredible. You can use it actually on doors, floors, cabinets, counters, bathrooms, etc. This is absolutely fantastic. So I'm almost done with the first coat, and then we're gonna do a second one. Okay, so I already did 2 coats, and as you can see, the coverage is absolutely incredible for such a dark piece. And what I'm doing here with my little artist brush is I am doing a third pass or coat on just these areas up here and at the bottom, just because these parts in a nightstand take a lot of wear and tear, and people touch them and bang them, and so I just just to be absolutely making sure that it's going to last forever, I am doing a third coat on that part. But while we're doing that, please don't forget to tag 3 friends, because we are giving away this paint. And by the way, the color I'm using, it's linen, and it is right now my favorite color in the whole world, and I can't have enough of it. And by the way, this paint is available in the 101 one step paint colors. Okay, so you can order it on any of those colors and try it out. You can even use this paint in furniture outside furniture. So try it out, and I can absolutely highly recommend it. Okay, so I just completed it. I'm so satisfied with this finish. It's absolutely gorgeous, that eggshell finish. And as I said, I'm going to be doing a wash using this paint. And what I did is actually I put 1 part paint for 3 parts water. And I'm going to try it. You just apply it and then wipe it off with a paper towel. But if any of you does not know what eggshell finish is, it's just paint sheen or gloss that looks and feels somewhat flat, but with a slight gloss to it. And it's actually kind of like matte or flat, but it has a little bit of satin sheen to it. And this paint actually reflects more light than matte to produce a low luster. And this low luster pulls out more of the paint color than a flat sheen, and it gives the room a soft glow. Also, it feels so nice to the touch. It's just amazing. I am totally satisfied. It just is completely and absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with this paint, and I can totally see that I can use it in so many other pieces. So the wash is coming out really, really nice, and just wipe it off, and that's it. You can save money on primer. You can save money on protection on top, like top coat, and I can totally see how this can save me time on my projects. I love it. So let's showcase them now. Oh my goodness, these 2 nightstands came out so fabulous. I love it. I love the paint. I'm totally in love with it. The wash came out so beautiful, the exact same tone of the nightstand. And I'm absolutely going to be using this paint on more of my projects. Look at that eggshell sheen. It's absolutely gorgeous. You cannot see any brush strokes on this paint. And it saved me time on primer and a top coat. I didn't have to do that. I absolutely will be using this paint, and I highly, highly recommend it. These 2 nightstands are actually commission pieces that I have for a client, and he is absolutely loving these nightstands. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to ask me questions if you have any, and I'll see you on my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this paint demonstration today.